course. Got a training course on the 9th of February. So to all my YouTube viewers, we've got a friend of mine here, so there's no pressure. He doesn't mind me showing him this. He's got a keloid scar at the top of his ear as well, which is being treated by the ENT doctors at the hospital. There's no pressure here. It's got a bit of soft wax, as you can see, and it's difficult getting a suction grip for that reason. I have managed one. Feeling alright?
Yeah, it feels alright.
Because it's a sticky type of wax, you have to manoeuvre it slowly. You're not getting the suction grip like you would with a bit of firmer wax. I'm just going to use an air scoop to drop some more. Try and get behind that wax and scoop it out. Like a lot of Asian people I find have this type of wax, sticky, clayey type of wax, which is very difficult to vacuum. The wax is actually occluding the entire ear canal, so it's from the entrance to the eardrum. Got a bit of dead skin where the wax is stuck to the gums. So I'm going to go in a bit of suction again. I might have to just put some drops in there, some olive oil drops or sodium bicarbonate, just to loosen that wax and get a better suction grip. Large plug there. It's quite dark. It's got a bit of dead skin, so it might make a bit of noise. If I can get that skin, I can try back as well. Yeah, so you had some skin that's attached to the wax and also the eardrum, so I just had to use, normally I'll use a different instrument to release that as what's called a fine end. It's less quiet, but with that we need to really get some purchase on the skin to remove. We've got a bit left. There we go, that's a nice plug. We should go into business together and start a candle factory, I think.
There's so much.
Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Just a little bit left at the base of your ear canal, near the eardrum. In truth, I can leave that, but I feel confident removing it, so I'll just get it out for you. Yeah, it's quite blocked. I think the last time it was your right ear, and as I said, there is some wax in your right ear. We'll get that out, but it's not fully blocking your ear, but we will get it out for you. That last bit, it was probably cause some trauma for trying to read. Got a bit of skin at the top of the eardrum, let's see if I can peel that off safely. Skin's not going to come off, we'll leave that. And you've got a bit of hair at the entrance of your ear, which is obscuring my view a bit. How are you feeling? You mentioned before you were getting this whooshing noise in your ear. Do you think that's still there, or is that gone also? Is it hard to tell so soon?
It comes on mainly at night.
Okay, when it's quiet around.
Yeah, I think at night probably again.
You can give me a text later and let me know.
Yeah.
So I'll just stand you up, I'll turn you around, and we'll do the opposite side. So I would call the right one semi-occluding, so your left one is fully occluding, so that just means it is blocking the entire ear canal. Just going to position your head that way. Let's see. This one is semi-occluding, so there is a gap at the top, so I'm going to use the little Jobson horn to kind of scoop it out if I can. This makes it a bit more tricky when you've got hairs at the entrance of your ear. It just obscures the view slightly, and as I'm teasing the wax out, it gets matted against the hair, but we're doing okay. Let's go back in with the suction probe. Type of wax, just blocking my suction probe. So I might have to use some drops, so I'll give it one more go. Get that out. Yeah, all out for you. Just a bit around from the left hand side. We'll get that for you as well. I think you weren't noticing the right one as much because your left ear was the worst of the two. Once I cleared the left one, you think, my right one's blocked now. I'll just get the wax off your hairs if I can. It's like mud to your hair. A little bit left, near the entrance, but it's hiding away from the posterior canal wall, which is the back part of the eardrum. Sometimes you wouldn't be able to, with a standard otoscope, which is an instrument we look inside the ear with normally, you wouldn't even see that. But with the endoscope, you've got such a great field of view. The wax can't hide from us. So my friend here, he's actually an optician, so I think we should go into business. He can do the eyes, or I can do the ears. Yeah, he's a bit of a rogue at school, my friend. A bit of a troublemaker. Stay away from him sometimes to get me in trouble as well. He's old, but there's worse.
Definitely.
Won't mention his name. Brilliant. All done. Oh, actually, there's a bit that stuck to the hair. It's horrible when it sticks to the hair. It's matted. It's right in front of the ear. Brilliant. How are you feeling?
Yeah, it was good.
Let me show you everything we've got out.
Oh my god.
So, for my friend.